Hello YouTube. I have a little tip for you guys. If you have a Lenovo laptop, that's a model number right here. Let me see. It's right there. Okay, what's that say? 15ill or 15iil, whatever. If you have that model laptop, let me back up so you guys could see all the info, and you want to replace the screen, make sure you get the correct one, because what happened is I ordered mine and they sent me like the next model up, and I believe it was touchscreen with a higher resolution. I'm going to show you guys the model number here. Let me back this up. Let me minimize this. Okay, so what I did, I got the one they sent me was this one right here. Okay, I got this model right here, 2.1 B156HAN02.1. That's the one that was sent to me. I believe it's a touchscreen. As you guys can see over here, the resolution on that one is 1920 by 1080. But if you have that model that I just showed you guys, let me go back and show it again. Where'd it go? Hang on a second, guys. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's a little tough. Okay, come back here. Where's the info? Right here's the info. If you have that Lenovo right there, I guess you could go by the board base product. Maybe that would help you here. Here's the number off of it. If you have that number, make sure, if your information matches mine, make sure you get, okay, make sure you get this screen here, because the one that they shipped me didn't work. But this is the one that actually came out of there. When I shipped back the initial one and got this one here, it actually started working right away. So you want to go with this number right here, which is, hold on, let me try to zoom in on it. There you go. Part number SD, I can't see it real clear, but I'm going to definitely put the part number in description. But remember, if you do have this Lenovo laptop and your screen breaks, don't order. Let me show you guys one more time. Let me come back here. Let me come back here. Don't order that screen, because that's the one they sent me. And I ordered the other screen, because this one here is 1920 by 1080. The one that they shipped me and didn't work. But the proper resolution for this laptop is, I'll show you right here. Give me a second. If you come back here, go to home. Here. It's down here. You see at the bottom? This is the right screen here, and it's 1366 by 768. And that's the one that you need. And that's what this is, okay? So it's 1366 by 768. Okay, and that's the part number. That's the one you need for that laptop. So in the event you guys run into that issue, and the way what it was doing for me when I replaced the screen, it would do the initial splash screen. You would see the Lenovo splash screen, and when it goes into Windows, I lose completely. The video just disappears completely. But every time I rebooted, the initial splash screen, the Lenovo splash screen, would come up fine. That's how you know you got the wrong screen, okay? If the Lenovo splash screen comes up and then you lose videos, when it it never goes into Windows, it goes completely blank. That's how you know you got the wrong screen. And basically, make sure you order the one that I'm showing you guys right here, and that should take care of it. I'm going to show you guys one more time the laptop model number that I have here, just to make sure that you guys get this right. Okay, that's what I have here. Hopefully this is clear enough for you guys. I'm going to put all that information in the description. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am constantly uploading technical videos, and every time I run into a new project and something that I'd like to share with all my audience, I put it in there and try to give part numbers. I try to give a lot of location, a lot of detailed description on where the problem is, what the solution is. So if this is something you're interested in, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.